Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and I'm very happy to be back with another video today. And I'm showing you guys a big unboxing from Jetset Models for all my model airports. So thank you, Jetset Models, for your hard work and everything you do. I did purchase this with my own money. You guys can check out Jetset Models on Instagram and also on their website at jetsetmodels.com. Without further ado, guys, let's get right into this video. All right, guys, let's get the box open here. I did open it already just to make sure that everything was in there. But this is still like my initial reaction because I didn't really like look through this too much. So you can see you got a Jetset Model sticker here. Really cool. Let's see here. Oh my gosh, look at the colored people. This is so cool. 1/400 scale. So I haven't seen the Jetset Models retail packaging in person yet. Jake, you did an amazing job. Wow. Now, I've been a customer of Jetset Models since day one, and I'm really happy for them for how far they've come. I've got the Pappy lights here. Put those down next to there. We also have some different size GSC here. Really cool. Oh, this is so awesome. Got some King Airs. Look at that. Wow. Got some fighter jets. And I believe the Pilatus. Really, really cool. Set these down here. We got some helicopters. Look at that. And of course, we got the private jets. Look at that. Oh, looks like a winglet came off there. We can glue that back on though easily. Really cool, guys. Wow. I'm just so happy that they're making a lot of these. Ooh, what do we have here? I think we got some buildings. Stand by, guys, stand by. All right, guys, here is one of the hangars. I did get the FBO package, but I also ordered a separate hangar from them so I can extend my general aviation area. Let's check the next one out here. Super cool. FBO. Super awesome. Then these can combine to make a large FBO with hangars. So, really awesome. Lots of detail here. Super cool. All right, guys, and last we have the super cargo hangar here. So, super awesome here. So this is the large cargo operations building here. So I believe you just put these next to each other. They go like this. Yeah, this thing is pretty big, but it goes just like that. So really cool. Try to do like more realistic setups for you guys, and also kind of maybe make my own like fictional airport too. So then I can always, you know, have as much as I want with it. So we'll see though. So, all right, everybody, here it is in all its glory. We have the cargo hangar, the FBO with the extra hangar. We have the GSC. We have the people, different colors, which is absolutely amazing. We have the Pappy lights. Really excited to get those things working. King Airs, Pilatuses, and the fighter jets. Gulfstreams, helicopters. Really cool. Highly recommend Jetset Models for all your products. FS Captain Alex. So here are all the aircraft out of the boxes. As you guys can see, 1/400 scale here. Also compared to the 737 1/400 scale. Unfortunately, some of the landing gear did come off these, but no problem. I can just glue it back on, and also one winglet. But that does happen with packaging. I know these are very delicate aircraft, but other than that, these look really amazing. I'm very happy. Also want to let you know that Jetset Models does provide an adhesive dot in case you guys want to put the front of the aircraft down on the King Airs, because they are tail heavy. I use some double-sided tape as well, but yeah, just the nature of the aircraft. So that's that. But other than that, guys, really good job. Thank you, Jetset Models, and we'll see you guys next video. Also, I have set up the Jetset Models VIP catering service, as well as my own custom-made red carpets. Jetset Models VIP services here, everybody. Super cool. Absolutely amazing.